Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy Wednesday to you. Another day in the market. Let's get to it. On yesterday, we had a green day, and now you see today is what? Red. That's why I say, don't you fall for nothing. Don't you believe it. This part of the market, man. Part of trading. Boy, it's gonna be something for the next 3 years. That's all I'ma say, man. Y'all better hold on. Like I'ma say it again. Ain't going on no rant. 2025. Right now, it's gonna be a side eye year. You're not gonna see no improvement in nothing. Just accumulate. Keep your hustles up, keep your side hustles up, maintain your job. Cause they doing layoffs. Just have you some money to invest. Believe me, after 2027, you're gonna be glad you did all this stuff. 2026, you might notice something. You're gonna see where the economy is going. Like say for 2025, they're gonna do two interest rates. They might be interest rate cuts. It might be 0.25 a piece. That's half a percent. They call it 25 points. That's 50 points, which is half a percent, which not going to do a whole lot for the economy. 2026, they're going to do a couple more. You can kind of see what's going on, where the market is headed. 2027 is where you're going to see the benefits of stuff. That's why I say 2027. Yeah, so this just accumulation. Buy these stocks, buy some long-term stocks. Buy some stocks you want to keep for the long term. That's the only thing I'm going to tell you. And try to get you some cash flow so when things bad, you can reinvest the dividend just in case you have trouble, with your money or your finances. But y'all subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel also. Let's get to it. Got a short, not a short, it's a medium-sized trade list, but there's gonna be some other things to buy. I can already feel it. So let's go ahead and get to it, man. All right, let me just start my list off with this. It's at the top. OPI. This one I'm swing trading. This one I tell y'all to stay out of unless, like I say, this is a stock you're gonna have to hold. But right now it's down. This is a REIT. Like I say, you're not gonna see no benefits of REITs till the interest rates get cut. So that's why I'm telling you, some of these stocks you just gonna have to hold, man. I'm already in it, so I'm trading my way up out of it. Gonna give me 25 shares. It's gonna be a nice swing trade to me. I'm gonna collect the dividend while I'm holding it. Dividend yield 20.2%. They pay like 1 cent a share a month quarterly. They got this red article saying this gonna be a REIT that people regret buying, later on, down the line. So I'm hoping everything play out with that. But that's one I tell y'all to stay out of unless you want to take a couple of risks. All right, this one I would say get OXSQ, $2.35. Oh, well, not $2.35, down more today. It's on my list from yesterday. $2.33. Pays 3.5 cents a share a month. This one I like. I finally got my 1,000 shares. I went in and grabbed them at like $2.44. But sorry, but right now I'm gonna get a limit order. 5 shares, 2.33. Probably gonna make it 10. Gonna double up at these prices here. That is cheap. Lowering my average cost. If you want passive income, that's one to buy. Let's go with ABR, Arbor Residential REIT. This is real estate REIT. Pays I think it's 34 cents a share out quarterly now. This one you can have if you like REITs. One I do like and plan on keeping. They cut their dividend from 43 cents to 34, but say they're going to hike it down the line when time get better. MFA, it's a BDC, pays out quarterly, got a nice yield. This one you can enter if you like. If you like yields, probably going to come down some more too. Let me get this one out the way. HPP. I would say stay out of this one. I'm already in it, so I'm going to trade my way up out of it. Going in at 188. This gonna go back past the $3 mark. SDIV. It's another one, pays out monthly. Pays like 19 to 21 cents a share a month. Depends on the price. It's another one I need to come down in. $5 worth for now, and it goes cheaper. I'm gonna double it up to 10. We're gonna go GOGL. Golden Oceans Group. This is Marine Dry Bulk Shipping Company. This definitely gonna be a swing trade, and it pays a nice yield. So definitely getting this. See right here, dividend yield 14.42%. 52-week high is 14.82. Upside of $7 a share. 52-week low is $6.27. That's why I'm buying that one. Land. This one you can get about a 6% yield, pays out monthly. I mean, it's definitely a buy. The price is at under the $10 mark. I'm lowering my average cost in it. I think there are better REITs out there, especially dealing with the market cap. But it is considered to be a safe dividend yield. All Gladstone products. I say from 1 through a 10, I give them rating about a 7, but never really experienced no dividend cuts except with Good, GOOD, which is the commercial REIT. But like I say, real estate been getting beat up, man. So just part of the game. SCHD, that's a buy and hold stock. I got this on recurring investment at $1 a day. When it's down, I just add on to it. Got this in another portfolio also. Gonna go ticker WU, Western Union. One I like, got a nice yield. Think it's yielding about 9.5% now. Definitely a buy right now. Under this $10 range. Accumulate this. Medifast, y'all stay out of this one. This is a weight loss company. I'm just trading myself up out of it, so y'all don't mind this one. All right, got KHC, Kraft Heinz. It's definitely one you can buy to consider. It's a buy and hold stock, about a 6%, 5.5%, 6% yield. Pays a nice quarterly dividend. This here got a 52-week low of $26 with a high 36.53, 5.96% yield. It's definitely time to be doubling up on this, to be honest. Get another $5 worth. I need my average cost below that $29 range. It's gonna be the time to do it. Got Pfizer, ticker PFE. Don't have it in this portfolio. That's one to get. Ticker AES is a utility company, not in this portfolio, but that's another one in buy range. It's going down my list. I got to go in my Cash App portfolio to buy that. MSTY pays out monthly. Got about 105% dividend yield. I got $5 worth earlier. I'm going to go get another $3 since I'm online with y'all. Definitely time to nibble. Load up when it's 19 and under because it's going to go back up. Ticker NKE. Nike in the $61 range, but 62 now. Need to lower my average cost on this one. You got to buy to lower it. But this one I'm going to get out of. Why am I getting out of Nike? I'm just kind of done with the apparel. A lot of competition out there dealing with it. And that's basically it for that reason. XDTE, I want this to come down more, but it's still in buy range, so I'm going to get some of that. It pays out weekly. QDTE. Since I'm here, those pay out weekly, so them ones you can get if you want that cash flow. ARR 24 cents a share a month. This one been getting beat down also. Been getting $10 a day of this with $8 to $10. Like a half a share a day, just accumulating, bringing down my average cost. Excuse me, another one gave y'all OXLC. 9 cents a share a month, $4.37. Trading that. I'm gonna go HRZN, Horizon Technology, 11 cents a share a month. This one to get. I already got my 1,000 shares, so I just do $3 a day. Just accumulating more. I'm at 1,046, just knocking down that average cost. Get $5 today. It's got a 52-week low of $7.12 with a high of $12.63. 17.39% yield. But I get $3 to $5 a day of it. That was Horizon, OXLC, KLIP is Clip. Pays 66, between 62 and 66 cents a share a month. The dollar cost average into this one, I get $3 to $5 a share a day. It was down early, I just missed it. But another one, the ticker FLO, Flowers Food. Got that in another portfolio. That's one you can get also. Go do your homework on it. Nice quarterly payout. They own they do the breads and cakes and all that kind of stuff. Bakery products. RYLD, got to get this one. Love this at 16 and under. Right now I got 1,072 shares. It's got a dividend last night. As you can see, $158.38 was my payment. Just adding on to that. We got to go with QYLD. Like this at 17 and under. Got a payment of this last night also. Payment for, it's gonna show my history, man. This app here be acting up. I swear it does, man. Get out of it, go back to QYLD. That's where this app be acting up, man. Got a payment of $122.79 last night. All right, we're gonna go with XYLD, QYLD, XYLD, RYLD. They all different. RYLD does the Russell 2000 cover calls on that. XYLD does the S&P 500. QYLD does the NASDAQ 100. So those three you want to kind of pair, in my personal opinion. This is the one I need to build up. It's got a 52-week low of 34.53. So waiting on this to go down so I can get me $20 a day. I'm going to get me 1,000 shares of that also. I'm going to go with VTRS, Viatris. Spin off from Pfizer Pharmaceutical Company. Nice 6% yield. Definitely buy at the $9 and under mark. $6.85 is the low, 5.58%. Yield $13.55 is 52-week high. But I am gonna go with ticker RC. Ready Capital just got me 100 shares of this one. I just get $3 a day of it, a double-digit yielder. It's gonna benefit once the interest rates get cut also. ULTY pays out weekly. It's $6.22 today. I just go get like $2 to $3 a day of it just to add on to my accumulate in. I get about last week, I think I got like $15 in dividends. Yeah, Big Third got $15.15, $3 a day. Have 5 days a week, $15. I just reinvest them. But I have a buy order set at $6 for 25 shares. So I do buy this in bulk. Also, let's go check our traps. That is everything on my list. Trying to think of anything else. Nah. All right. Oh yeah, another one is PSEC Prospect Capital's got down to 330 today. I did get 5 shares of this. I brought 250 shares in another portfolio. I'm gonna swing trade it, buy it for 330, gonna sell it at 338. I'm gonna rinse and repeat to lower my average cost, and I'm gonna sell that position in my Weaver portfolio and just keep this one. I don't want to be too deep in this one. This uses the pay 6 cents a share a month, but it reduces dividend to 4.5 cents a share a month. Probably like 3 months ago, I want to say. So that's the reason of being. Got New Tech down. I need to come down in this one. This one you can kind of stay out of. I mean, it's not no Walmart, no Apple, just a small company. I'm in it, lowering my average cost. I'm going to get out of it. Just give you the scoop. 6.84% dividend yield. 52-week high, 15.49. Low of 9.12. 5.8% dividend yield. Market cap, 2.86. Small market cap. So I see you can kind of stay out of it. Has been brought twice by 2 different companies. This the latest name of it. I'm going to probably get out of it. Like I said, I'm going to stick to more of the ETFs, the weekly and monthly payers. I'm going for cash flow now. REITs are still cool. Some I'm gonna keep, but some of them I'm just gonna chill on. And just follow me. I keep you posted. Like I say, real estate is changing. They lowering prices on rent just to get them rented. A lot of places are vacant. I mean, it's getting ugly. It's hard to find tenants because this generation, they don't want to work. Hard to qualify them because they don't want to work. They monkey and swing branch jobs. They don't stay on jobs long. So it is what it is. All right, GPMT. It's one I'm in. I'm going in at 243. Average cost 297. Y'all can stay out of this one. I'm just lowering my average cost. This is also one I'm going to get rid of. I mean, I got a list of REITs I'm going to keep. But that's not making a list on one of them. We got Ready Capital. SLRC, ain't worry about that. I'm going to get some more Comcast when that comes down. Pets is another one. If y'all got this and down in it. 371. It's going to go back above the $4 range. I'm going to trade my way up out of this one too. I get 1 to 3 shares a day. Just getting one because it's green. Everything right now I'm buying below the $4 range will get sold. SBSW, I need to cancel this one. I done got out of it. Let me cancel these orders. I done traded out of it. Cancel that one. This is how you cancel the order. I done traded out of this one. I made profit. So I'm not going to enter back into it. This is a mining company. Precious metal company. Like I said, I'm just sticking to cash flow now. So not going to enter back into it. Not taking no more risks if I don't have to. All right, got BGS Foods is coming back down. This one I tell y'all to stay out of. Also has been getting handed. This is a good entry level price, especially for that dividend though. I can't lie. But I think it's just risky. Market cap 330 million, 17.97% yield, which I think is unsustainable. 52-week high, 974. BGS Foods is the food industry. If they sell bulk food or whatever, that's another industry that is getting whooped. Especially dealing with tariffs and stuff too. So that's what I'm going to kind of say trade my way out of and chill on to the apparel and food. Liner Bars about a 9.5% yield. That's definitely one you want to get. Buying whole stock. That's a safe dividend there. RVSB, Riverview Bank. I got a sell order on that one. At its 52-week high. We got Gogol. MFA, AFCG is a marijuana REIT to rent out warehouses to the marijuana growers. That's another one I'm going to exit out of. I think the marijuana industry done had this boom. It's time for me to go another way. Got to go with ticker ORC. 12 cents a share a month. I already got my 1,000 shares, so I just get $3 a day of it. USOI is up 1.26%, but still below that $62 range. Pays out monthly. Need to lower my average cost. I'm at 40.09 at $68.32. Got 40 shares, but that's my average cost, $68. Hopefully I can get that in the 60s. Got another REIT, 2 Harbors, $6 a day, lower my average cost. This is a nice REIT here. Not GSBD. Let me show you why. Market cap 1.14 billion. Dividend yield 16.32%. High 14.28, low 10.16. Nice one to have. Get you some cash flow for now. When you want to fling it and get rid of it, once things get better about 2027, you can do that. Yield max ETFs coming on down. But I'm going to let them fall some more. ULTY, MSTY, TSLY, the ones I like to focus on. AI, YBIT, options on Bitcoin. It's a nice one to have also. Do not load up. Just dollar cost average on in. IWMY, options on the Russell 2000. Pays out weekly. We got XDTE and stuff. Google, GOOY been getting whooped, but it seems like it's starting to climb on back. Not gonna bother it. I go somewhere else with that. YMAX pays out weekly. I want that to come on down some more. SVOL coming down, still in buy range. I brought $5 worth of this already today. Got a dividend payment coming to 30 cents a share, as you can see. But still in buy range though. Got a 52-week high, thinking like $23, $22.84. So you got $4 and something cent upside to it still. But this is I brought $5 to get another 2 while I'm online with y'all. All right, that's it for this trade today, man. Y'all stay safe out there. Signing off. Go get your money.